Hello techies, welcome back to your own channel. Today's question is very important, especially if you are showing an experience as a basis consultant, like around 3 to 4 years of experience. This is not very much difficult to understand, but it is better if you understand the concept rather than mugging up the things. So the question is, your quality and production system are based on different patches. Like, for example, your quality system has a patch level of 12 and production has of 15. This question is related to data refresh. Data refresh is basically a process in which you are replacing the data of one system through another, which is basically done for testing purpose or for some analysis or just to have a backup of the production system at certain point of time. Okay, so here generally it is done like the production data is refreshed into the quality data. So this is the ideal scenario. Okay, so now, if the production and quality database patch levels are different, will the data refresh work well? Okay, so here there are three scenarios that you can explain. First one is this: if your production database version is same or lower than quality, since you will be moving the data to quality system, your data will be moving from the production to quality system. The version of quality system should be higher. Quality is your target system. Okay, just take it as an example that if you're installing something on installing any software in your mobile or laptop, it should be compatible, right? So if you're exporting the data from your production system to quality system, the quality system should have the package required, or it should have the scenario or the software requirements should be fulfilled so that the data will be imported. Majorly it is about importing the data. Data will be imported if you have a proper scenario or say schema or say table. So if the data quality system is on higher version, it will definitely support the things that are in the lower version, like not too old, but if there is certain, like whenever you download a software or install any application, there is a minimum recommended version, right? कि एंड्रॉयड 12 पे चलेगा, एंड्रॉयड 10 पे चलेगा, उससे कम पे नहीं चलेगा, बट उससे ज़्यादा पे चलेगा. So the same scenario, this is the same scenario that your quality system is a higher version, then you can definitely do the data transfer. Okay, but if it is on a lower version, then you need to think. Now, what you need to think, we'll go it step by step. Okay, if your production database version is same or lower than quality, it means जहाँ से डेटा निकालना है उसका वर्जन लो है, और जहाँ पे डेटा ट्रांसफर करना है, मतलब जो हमारा टारगेट सिस्टम है उसका डेटाबेस लेवल इज higher. This can work. And why? Because database backup from lower version in higher version usually works. मतलब जो टेम्पलेट या फॉर्मेट चाहिए होता है डेटा ट्रांसफर के लिए, दैट इज यूजुअली सपोर्टेड. लाइक अगर कोई सिस्टम का अपग्रेड हो रहा है या पैच लेवल अपडेट हो रहा है, इट इज गोइंग टू add on more of the things. Like it will also reduce some of the things that are not important, but mostly the ideal scenario it वो चीज़ें ऐड करेगा, वो फीचर्स ऐड करेगा अपने अंदर. सो दैट इज़ वाई दैट इज़ ओके. लोअर वर्जन से हायर वर्जन यूजुअली वर्क्स. हायर पैच लेवल टीबी कैन रीड ओल्डर बैकअप फॉर्मेट्स, यानी कि पुराना अगर क्वालिटी सिस्टम का अगर पैच लेवल पुराना है, सॉरी प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम का पैच लेवल अगर पुराना है, तब भी वो क्वालिटी सिस्टम का डेटा रीड कर पाएगा. ओके, इट इज बैकवर्ड कंपैटिबल इन मोस्ट सिनेरियोज. ओके, सो अगर क्वालिटी सिस्टम जो कि पैच लेवल 15 है restores the data of patch 12 from the production system, it is acceptable. After refresh, quality system will remain patch level. After the data transfer, only the data is getting transferred. जो तुम्हारा सॉफ्टवेयर होता है या डेटाबेस वर्जन होता है, that is not getting transferred. So quality 15 ही रहेगा, but it is compatible with the data of production patch 12. Okay, so only data is compared, not database software version. Now, another scenario, production is on higher version and quality is on lower. यानी कि जिसमें डेटा import करना है वो lower version पे है. You can similar example we can take it here. कि आपको कोई एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करना है बट वो आपके सिस्टम से कंपैटिबल ही नहीं है, बिकॉज वो एंड्रॉयड से 15 सपोर्ट करता है, आपका सिस्टम 12 है, तो वो नहीं चलेगा, राइट? सो हियर इट इज, लोअर पैच डेटाबेस कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड न्यूअर डेटाबेस बैकअप फॉर्मेट. Similarly, database structures may be changed, internal DB directory may be changed, and it may fail the restore. Restore नहीं होगा, इसके chances है. और अगर restore हो भी जाता है, then also there are high chances that the data will not be in the proper format. वहाँ पे data में क्या inconsistency आ रही है, that is also something that is not predictable. So restore may fail, DB may not start, and data corruption risk is always there. So अगर आपका target system का version is higher than the source system का version, then you can do the data transfer. Otherwise, it is not recommended. Okay. Now, इन केस देयर इफ देयर इज मेजर वर्जन डिफरेंस, यानी कि जैसे कि आप लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ ओरेकल, या ओरेकल 19 सी प्रोडक्शन का है और क्वालिटी का 12 सी है, बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है वर्जन में, और क्वालिटी सिस्टम इज ऑन द लोअर वर्जन एनीवेज. सो हमारा पहले वाला केस टू भी फेल हो गया कि प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम्स वर्जन शुड बी हायर देन द quality system. ठीक है, sorry, quality system version should be higher than the production system. And here also another, that scenario is already failing, and more patch level, or it is completely 12c and 19c is a lot. It is basically another version, not simply a patch update. So here also it will not work. So in this scenario, what can be done is, if the production system version, if the version of the production system is lower than that of the is higher than that of the quality system, then production system see, now this is the actual example or the question that I would have faced in an interview, and we are discussing this. Okay, this is just a scenario wise question so that you can update, like relate it into multiple scenarios, and you can present this as the answer as long as you are comfortable with it, you have understand the concept. Okay, so if production is on higher version than quality, you must first update the quality system. यानी कि अगर मेरा production system 15 पे है, ठीक है, और क्वालिटी लोअर पे है, तो 15 का डेटा विल नॉट बी कंपैटिबल विद 12 का डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. तो पहले हम लोग क्वालिटी सिस्टम को अपडेट करेंगे और फिर हम लोग डेटा ट्रांसफर या डेटा रिफ्रेश करेंगे. Okay, so I think this is it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and comment your suggestion here, and please let me know if there are any such interview questions that have been asked or you have faced, so that we can just disclose it here, and let's help each other grow. Thank you for watching.